Hello, hello students. Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the string operation with the help of practical. Practically, we will discuss what are the operations performed in the string. Means operation in the string. Dear students, we have already discussed that string means the data enclosed along with the single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes known as the string data. And the string data is different from the numeric data. In numeric data, we can perform the operation like the plus, minus, multiplication, division, and other basic operations. But in string data, we can perform the few operations like plus, multiplication, relation, and membership operators. But the functions of plus or plus operator is different from the numeric data. When we apply the plus operator along with the numeric data, it will return the additions of the numeric value. But when we apply the plus operators along with the string data, it will give the concatenations of the string. Means it will concate the string. Let's see the string operation with the help of example. We are using the spider notebook, and using the spider notebook, we will use the basic string operation. Means what are the basic string operation performed in the string data. So we will start the program. Suppose the program means n1 is a variable where we will enter the value. Suppose n1 is a variable where we enter the value, and value is a enter string. Means first string enter in the n1 variable, and the second string value entered in the n2 variable. Means n1 n2 are the two string, means two string value, and here we perform the plus operations. Means here we performing the plus operation. Means what will be the value of the plus operation when we apply in the n1 or n2 data. Means n1 and n2 are the two variable where we are assigning the two value. Means the value is entered during the executions of the programs. So n1 and n2 are the variable, and we perform the plus operation in n1 and n2 data, and the value will be stored in the n variable. Value will be stored in the n variable. Now, when we use n equals to n1 plus n2, means what will be the value in the n. Let's restart the executions of the program. Suppose the value n1 and n2 I'm going to enter. Suppose two value n1 and n2 means there are the two value I'm going to enter. First one is the n1 and second one is the n2. Let's start enter first string. Suppose the first string is the yarn, and second string is the Nicator, and we perform the plus operation. That is, in n1 variable, the value will be stored as a gyan, and n2 variable, the value is stored as a Nicator. So when we perform plus operation with n1 and n2, then the result will be the gyan Nicator. Means plus operation only concate the string value. Suppose in this program we use the numeric data. First string, the first string is 1 1. Suppose first string is 1 1 and second string is 2 2. Then the value will be the 1 1 2 2. Why? Because here 1 1 and 2 2 both are the string value. So it will not perform the actual addition, because here student we are not using the, I am not using the int functions. Means int function convert the string data to the number, but here we have not used, I have not used the int function, so it will only 1 1 will be the numeric value but in the string form. So when we apply the plus operation plus operator with the numeric data, it will simply plus the true value. Again, second one is the multiplication operations. Means when we apply the multiplication operator with the numeric value, then what will be the result? Means when we apply the multiplication operators with the, what will be the result? Means multiplication operator represented by the star, asterisk. By using the asterisk symbol, the multiplication operators is represented. But when we apply the multiplication operator with the string data, that means value means the replications of that particular string will be done. Replication means the duplications of the string. Suppose the value is welcome and we are I am using the star operator, is the replication operators, and 4 means when we use the welcome and star 4, that means welcome is repeated in 4 times. So the when using the star operators means this particular string will be repeated on this time. Means we can use the replications operator using the multiplication operators. Means replication of multiplication operator is known as the replications operators. And third operation, that is the relational operators. Means how we perform the relational operators. So let's see the work of functions of multiplication operation in the multiplication operations in the string value. Suppose the value is print welcome star, print welcome star 4, means that particular string will be repeated in the 4 times. So the replication operators make the replica of the string. Other operation that perform on the string data is the relational operators. Means the greater than and smaller than sign. Means the relational operator is the relational operator will always give the true or false value, means boolean value. If the first value is greater than second, how we calculate the first string is greater than second string? That means the string value is compared according to the ASCII value. Means what will be the ASCII value? So dear students, the ASCII value from capital A to capital Z is less than the ASCII value from small a to small z. The value of the capital A, ASCII value of capital A is 65. And in the same way, ASCII value of small z is 122. So the according to the ASCII value, the characters will be compared. So here we have compared that Gyan, small Gyan is greater than capital Gyan. That means that small Gyan is greater than capital means. That means it will give the true value or false value. Means I have already told you that the ASCII value of small letter is greater than the ASCII value of capital letter. So small Gyan is greater than capital Gyan, or it will give the true value. So small Gyan is greater than the greater, it will give the true value. So dear students, today we have discussed, we have already discussed the plus operation in the string. Second one, that multiplication, that is a replication operation performed in the string. and third one is the relation operation in the string. Now, next class we will discuss the membership operation or accessing the string with the help of practical example. So students, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay students, bye bye. Next class we will again start the next string operation.